Hello, I'm Joe from Stiltz Homelifts.
And I'm Alister from Stiltz Homelifts.
And we're here to introduce to you the Stiltz Homelift range. This is the Stiltz Duo. The Stiltz Duo is specifically designed as a viable alternative to a stairlift. We all have clients where the stairlift is inappropriate. The staircase may not be conducive to having a stairlift. The client may have postural control issues, sitting balance, and levels of continence that means they need swift transport from the ground floor to the first floor. Cheaper than having ground floor adaptation, the Stiltz Duo can be installed typically in 1 day, and 30 seconds provide safe sitting or standing transport to the bathroom. This is the Stiltz Trio Homelift, designed for wheelchair use, for safe standing, either alone or with a caregiver, and for the use of walking aids. The Stiltz Trio has a self-supporting structure. The centre of gravity is perfectly within its base of support. This means that without the need for major building works or further supporting structures, we can fit the Stiltz Trio virtually anywhere in the home. By doing so, we can offer better access solutions for you and your client, and the possibility of reducing the cost of grant. The Stiltz Trio has either a single entry or a double entry option. You can quite literally travel all the way through this lift. Again, this means that we can now access parts of the home previously unobtainable. We can reduce the cost of the grant. The Stiltz lift is designed for further extended travel than the more traditional lifts that we're used to. Those lifts have all the adequate safety features in place to travel for 2 floors. This is designed to travel 3 floors. Therefore, it requires even more safety features. Internally, externally, there are 14 safety sensors, top and bottom. It's an extremely safe product. Further, this lift isn't reliant on safety edges or any pinching if there's an obstruction as it travels through the floor. In fact, if this area is breached, the light curtain switches on the safety sensors, the lift instantly stops. As soon as the obstacle is removed, the lift will continue to safely on its journey. So to recap, the Stiltz Trio Homelift. Safe, standing and wheelchair use, can be fitted virtually anywhere in the home and can travel up to 3 floors.
Thank you for listening.
Be sure to come and visit us at the Art Golf presentation.